Welcome to your mid-September reading, Taurus. Welcome to Archangel Michael Tarot. Thanks for being with me today. I'll start off with an overall message for you for September from the Moonology deck, and then we'll move on to the tarot reading. This is a general read and will not resonate with all of you Taurians out there. So to all my Taurus friends, thanks for watching. So let's get into the reading without much delay. So overall message for Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising signs. Oh God, too many messages. Sometimes when I pull cards, a bunch of cards fall out, and I really think those could be the messages, but it will confuse you. So let's ask the universe for a single card. Show the world the real you. Show the world the real you. So this is your overall message. So which is the real Taurus? Are you putting on a front, Taurus? Okay. Let's get into the tarot now. So there'll be 4 cards. One is your overall energy, and the first one is your recent past. Second, your current energy, and the third card will tell you what is coming towards you. So what's in the recent past for Taurus? The recent past for Taurus. So these 2 cards wanted to come out. The Hanged Man and the Hermit in the reverse. So this is your recent past, Taurus. The Hanged Man and the Hermit in the reverse. Now what's in your current? The current energies for Taurus. The 8 of Pentacles, the 5 of Pentacles and the 9 of Pentacles. Gosh. So this is your current energy. The 8 of Pentacles, the 5 of Pentacles and the 9 of Pentacles. Now what is coming towards you? What is coming towards you? The Page of Swords, the Queen of Swords and the Magician. A lot of cards, Taurus. Oh God. So you've got a lot going on, Taurus. I don't have space on my table to keep all the cards. And the end of the deck is the Tower. So a lot of things going on at your end, Taurus, I must say. That goes without saying, seeing all the cards over here. I don't think I'll need clarifiers. So anyways, let's see. So in the recent past, you have the Hermit in the reverse and the Hanged Man. Pretty much a lot of delay and isolation for you. So you must have been probably in some sort of life-changing phase of your, phase wherein a lot of emotional pain probably, though I don't see any emotional pain cards. Probably it is something that dismantled your life. You had to isolate yourself, and you had to, this was for fresh perspective on things. And in the current energy, you're working hard so that you will not have to face a lack. Probably you're rebuilding what was lost or what you felt was lost or was coming down. So you are working hard to be independent, self-sufficient, even if you feel that kind of a fear or insecurity about the loss inside, you're still working hard. What's coming towards you is the Queen of Swords, the Magician, and the Page of Swords. So basically you have the power to recreate what was lost, and you having you having undergone a lot of transformation. You are now coming up as somebody who is very knowledgeable and a lot of wisdom to cut out what is not required so that you can manifest what is actually needed in your life, and project the real you, or project what is your higher self. And you are learning, you are communicating only just enough. You would be, this is in your future. So you in the future, what is coming towards you in September is this energy where you are cutting off what is not required so that you can manifest what is required. And you will be communicating only just enough so that others know what it is. And this is the real you, Taurus. and what is coming towards probably you is also the Tower. Did I say that I'll pull out an overall energy for the reading? I'm sorry, I'm so absent-minded, I forgot. But this is, I think there's going to be some sort of a shake-up in your life. It already has happened or is happening or is going to come, but that shake-up is required to project your highest self to the world, so that the world will benefit out of it. Now let's get clarification cards. Let's get clarifiers. Let's see why the Hermit card is in the reverse. Let's see why the Hermit card is in the reverse. So Taurus, I think Hermit card is in the reverse because of the Seven of Swords. So probably you are not speaking anything to anybody, and you are, as I said, you're isolating yourself. Possibly somebody deceived you, or this is a card of deception, or not showing the world the real you, death. So you're undergoing a lot of transformation at the moment, Taurus, and you're not speaking about it to anybody, as I said. And why is this? The Hanged Man. Let's explain the Hanged Man. The Hanged Man is explained by the Seven of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. So you're waiting for a new message or a new beginning, and or you're waiting for to deliver this to somebody, this new message, or communicate something, or offer of love. You're waiting, or you're waiting for a chance to prove yourself, Taurus. Let's see why the Eight of Pentacles is here. The Eight of Pentacles explained by the Eight of Pentacles. So you're working very hard, Taurus. As I said, you're working very hard. And let's see why the Five of Pentacles is here. I think you have a fear of lack. Yeah. Speaking of fear, there is this Nine of Swords, which means you're stressed. You are stressed at the moment about a financial lack, or losing something, or a feeling of a comfort zone that you're losing. So you're working very hard in order to prevent that from happening. Now, why is the Nine of Pentacles here? The Nine of Pentacles is because you want the Six of Wands, you want victory, you want happiness, you want justice, okay? Because I just saw the Justice card. So that's why you're working hard. You want to be the master of your own destiny. You don't want to depend on anybody. So that's why you're working hard. Let's see why the Queen of Swords is here. The Queen of Swords, please explain the Queen of Swords. I think that you are trying to be, the Nine of Pentacles is just a step away from 10. So you're assuming strength. So what's coming towards you is the Strength card. You have undergone a lot of transformation, and you want a new beginning also. So you will be having the financial resources, and the divine will be blessing you with a lot of mental strength. Let's see why the Magician is here. Let's see why the Magician is here. So Magician is a infinite abundance, which means that you feel that you don't have anything, but you have the resources, the potential to manifest what is required, and you do this by using the Page of Wands. So you will be having the drive and the energy to make something out of nothing, Taurus. Whatever is lost will be rebuilt, don't worry, but probably you'll have to go through a shake-up. The Tower moment is all about introspection and shake-up. The Ace of Wands fell again, so this new beginning. And let's see why the Page of Swords is here. The Page of Swords, please explain the Page of Swords. The Page of Swords, please. The Wheel of Fortune. So you're learning, you're driving yourself, you're motivating yourself for this change in fortunes, so that you can show the world, or show somebody that you are worth of whatever, worth their attention or whatever. But this change in fortune definitely will come, Taurus. Only thing is that you're moving in the right direction probably. We have a lot of pentacles here, we have the swords, we have the wands, we don't have cups here. Okay, so the element of compassion etc. is missing. Probably you have a lot of self-love, and this is why, but don't do an overkill. I believe abundance is coming towards you. If that is, you have the power to manifest this abundance, Taurus. Now let's try and see, pull out an overall message. The Emperor. So you are in charge, the Emperor and the Five of Swords. This Five of Swords I don't feel is in a negative sense. I feel it is self-love and end of the deck is the Magician. So you have the drive and the verve to take charge and achieve what is required, and you are there to prove yourself. You are out to prove yourself, and this is what you will do. Show the world the real you. So I hope this resonated with you, Taurus. Do let me know in the comments, and please give me a like, share, subscribe. Thank you for all the views before, and God bless you, Taurus. I love you all. God bless you. I'll see you around for the next mid-month reading. Bye-bye.